1:30. Light and variable winds becoming northwest around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 40. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, cloudy with a chance of rain showers. A chance of snow showers in the evening, then a chance of freezing rain after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Little or no snow accumulation. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday, mostly cloudy. The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. Potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies. Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA weather radio station KRG-79, operating 24 hours. Frequency of 162.55 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Davidson County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan National Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the forecast for Nashville, Greenbrier, Clayville, Thompson.
A somewhat perfect activation, because this one read it as an unrecognized warning, that one read it as an unrecognized message, this one didn't activate.
40. North winds. Showers in the evening.
Got a crystal